Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. Today we are going to draw another 3D body. You can start by double clicking this SolidWorks icon on your desktop. So we wait for some seconds for it to open, and the body which we are going to draw, this one here. So here you can click here on part, or just go to file, then select new, click on part, click OK. I'm going to apply scene. Now click this drop down menu, select plane white, click right plane, sketch. I'm going to draw 2 circles. So by dimensioning them, here should be 60 millimeter, and this one should be 30 millimeter. Go to features, select extruded boss jaw base. Here click this drop down menu, select mid plane. So it's highlighted, you can just type 80. If not highlighted, you can highlight it and type 80. Click here on OK. Now go back to right plane again, click here on sketch. So you can select a line. Now we smart dimension it. Here thickness should be 20 millimeter, type 20, click enter, and thickness from this point to this point should be 20 millimeter, type 20, click enter, and here the length should be 36 millimeter. So the distance of this line here should be 40 millimeter. So every part considered. Now you can right click, click on select this party, convert entities. Now go to features, select extruded boss or base. You see, you can select this part. Then yes, it is mid plane, you can highlight it. The thickness here should be 60. So distance of extrusion should be 60. Click here OK. Now still you can go back to right plane, click on sketch. You see, now I'm going to draw a rib, draw a line from this point up to this point here down. Now I can exit sketch. Now select a rib. You see it is going upward. So what I'm going to do is to click here on flip material side to go downward, and the thickness here of the rib should be 12. So I write there and type 12. So click here OK. See, the rib is already created. We go back again to right plane, sketch on it. Now I'm going to draw that conical shape. Select a line. I draw a line from this point up to this point. So right click, click on select, then from this line click on construction geometry. Now from this point to this point, going to this point, now I'm going to smart dimension it. So here should be what? Should be 20 millimeter because it is radius, the diameter is 40. And the bottom here, the diameter is 60. So here it should be 30 millimeter. That is radius. The height, you see, from this point to this point, the height should be 40 millimeter. This point to this point here, the height should be 40 millimeter. You see, so now I'm going to features, select evolved balls or base, just click yes. You see line 1, this one already selected, so a conical part has appeared. Now what you can do is just click OK. So but some parts are missing, so you can select this bottom part, click on sketch, then convert entities, then go to features, select extruded balls or base. Here under mid plane, or it can be written bend, drop down this menu, select up surface, then select this surface. You see, click OK. So now I can come here on this part, click on sketch, draw a cycle. Okay, here at the center, start dimensioning it. The cycle should be 20 millimeter in diameters. Now I'm going to features, select extruded cut. The hole should be through hole, so you can click through hole, or you can have another option there, up surface, then select this surface. See, click OK. So the hole is created. So I can add some appearance here. So click anywhere on this body, go here to appearance, drop down this menu, click on part. So the color which you can add there, you can put this color. See, click here on OK. Now I can go to save it, go to save. So I would like to save it as under your folder created, SolidWorks tutorials. Save it as party, or you can save it anywhere, party 20. Click here on save. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new upcoming tutorials. So you can zoom.